Welcome to connect2JOBS website. Here is the main page. If this is your first time to visit our website, we will ask you 2 questions about your gender and your age group. And these questions will be only asked for once. And if you are using Google Chrome for our website, then you have an option on the top right corner for languages. You can choose from over 100 languages to use our website. Our website provides 3 useful tools for your job search. The first one is Jobs Board. With more than 1,000 active job listings, this tool acts as a search engine that leads you to the original job board to apply for your interest positions. It automatically aggregates local job postings from 18 national, provincial, and local job boards, which reduces the amount of time that you have to visit different websites during job search. These local job postings will be updated daily, so you can come and check our website frequently for new postings. On the left-hand side, you can search, sort, and filter these job postings. For example, the first one is Quick Find. You can choose from one of these 4 options. If you are interested in Bruce nuclear jobs, you can choose Search or Refine Search. Then the jobs are automatically filtered by nuclear jobs, so there are 25 nuclear-related jobs in our region. You can also choose or filter your jobs, the jobs you're interested by job types, job durations, or geographic locations. Just to remember, before you do next search or use next filter, choose clear or reset search to go back to the original state. The second tool is called Jobs Map. Jobs Map is a mapping tool that visualizes job postings and helps you with planning your commute and accessing employment-related services in the 4-county area. For example, if you're interested in the jobs in Owen Sound, you can zoom in and choose the jobs from an area that you particularly want to work in at. For example, Springmount. If you click this job marker, it will show you the job posting information. And you can also get walking, transit, and driving directions to this job location. On the left-hand side, you can find the job search tools. The first few functions are the same as job board, but when you roll down, you can see unique search tools that allow you to connect the jobs with up to 18 related services, such as bus routes, childcare centers, schools, hospitals, and Service Canada. For example, if we want to know whether there will be childcare centers nearby these job postings, then when you click on this, you can find there are many childcare centers available along your commute to this job location. The last tool is Career Explorer. Career Explorer simplifies the task of researching information about in-demand jobs. As you can see, the occupations in blue means in demand in the local area. You can select a specific sector. For example, you choose from here, you can choose service, and all the occupations will be filtered by service. If you move your mouse around these occupations, you can see the arrows. Let's use customer service representative as an example. You can see these arrows, and it shows you the career path to or from this occupation. When you click on this, it will show you the detailed career profile information, including job descriptions, wages, required skills, and the number of active job postings. You can also enlarge or shrink the size of the job circles to visually display the salary or number of available job postings. Here, let's say we choose size by job post openings. Then you can see the bigger the circle is, that means the more job postings for that occupation. I hope you find our website helpful for your job search. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us here. Thank you and good luck on your job search.